Hello, hello. Check, check. Yo, what's up guys? It's Miles and I'm back to do another custom video. And for today, we're gonna be working on some custom summer themed slides. Alright, so as you can tell from this pair, this is airbrushed. So not everybody has airbrushes. So for this slide, I'll show you guys how you can recreate the same design just by using paintbrushes. So for the first step, we'll be using the Angelus Prepare and Deglazer to take off the factory finish off the slide. So now that we took off the factory finish off the slide, now we're just going to tape off all the places we do not want paint on. Alright, so now that we got the slides all prepped, taped up, now the next step we're going to be doing is laying down this flat white with our 10 shader paintbrush. So to get the solid white surface I have on here now, I did about 10 to 12 coats with the paintbrush. So make sure you use light coats, and you can also use the heat gun to speed up the process in between coats. Alright, so now we're gonna use some tape to make sure we recreate the lines we have on the finished product onto the slide. Alright, so the tape is all laid out as you can see. The next step we'll be doing is applying the colors, and I'll be using the same technique I used to lay down the white and make sure to fade in the colors, making sure it looks like this slide right here. So when putting in the fade, you don't want to rush, but you do have to move quickly so that way the paint doesn't dry up as you're fading in the colors. So as you guys can see, some paint did leak over the tape, and that's completely fine. We're just going to go over a few coats with the flat white. So I ended up using light gray over the imperfections because I just noticed that it's much quicker than putting 10 to 12 coats of flat white. So I used about 1 to 2 coats of the light gray, and I painted over it with the flat white using 2 to 3 coats. For the next step, we'll be using flat black to put the palm trees and the birds, and if you want, it's really optional, you can use a stencil on here, but for me, I'll show you guys freehand how to paint palm trees and birds. Alright, so now that the slides are done, we're just going to be adding the matte finisher and then remove the tape. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're done with the slides. They came out amazing, perfect for the summertime. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Mikaso. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.